Integrals exercise 7.11. By using properties, we have to find the definite integrals. So first one is let it be I. So I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. So here this is integral 0 to a f of x dx. So I equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x. So cos square pi by 2 minus x dx. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. So this is also I. Let it be 1 and it is 2. Add the two integrals 1 plus 2. So I plus I is 2I. So both are same integrals. So limit 0 to pi by 2. Cos square x plus sin square x, that is 1 dx. So 1 dx is x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. So it is pi by 2. 2I equals to pi by 2. So I equals to pi by 4. So answer is pi by 4. Similarly, second one also same. I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 root sin x plus root sin x plus cos x. So same property, use a minus x property. So it is equals to root sin 90 minus x pi by 2 minus x by root of sin pi by 2 minus x plus root of cos pi by 2 minus x dx. So sin 90 minus x is cos x. So root cos x by root cos x plus root sin x. So this is also I. Let it be 1 same and it is 2. So 1 plus 2 same. If you add I plus I 2I. So integral 0 to pi by 2. This is root sin x plus root cos x by root sin x plus root cos x is same 1 dx. So x between 0 to pi by 2, it is on equals to pi by 2. 2I equals to pi by 2. So I equals to same answer pi by 4. Similarly, we'll get the third one also same. Fourth one also same. So next fifth one, minus pi to 5 mod x plus 2 dx. So modulus is there. So in this case, you have to split this integral at mod x equals to x. If x is greater than 0, means x greater than minus 2, minus of x plus 2. If x plus 2 less than 0, x plus 2 less than 0 means x less than minus 2. So we have to break this integral at let it be I equals to, so I equals to minus pi to minus 2. So in between this less than minus 2, it is negative. So minus x minus 2 dx plus minus 2 to plus 5. So this is x greater than minus 2. X greater than minus 2 mod x is x positive. So x plus 2 dx. So it is equals to minus x square by 2 minus 2x between the limits minus pi to minus 2 plus the same x dx is x square by 2 plus 2 into 1 dx is x between the limits minus 2 to 5. So by substituting upper limit minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Minus lower boundary, minus 5 whole square is 25, 25 by 2 minus, minus minus plus 2 into 5 is 10. Similarly, this is 25 by 2 plus 10 minus lower boundary is minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So it is equals to minus 2 plus 4 is 2. 25 by 2 plus 10. 20 minus 5 by 2 minus minus plus 5 by 2. 25 by 2 plus 10 plus 25 by 2 plus 10 minus 2 plus 4. So it is equals to 2. 25 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 30 by 2, 15, 15, 25, 29. So answer is 29. So you have to break the integral at minus 2. Next, similarly, sixth one, integral 2 to 8 mod x minus 5 dx. So integral mod x minus 5 dx means we have to break the same. At x equal to 5 is 0, so at 5 is split. So in between 2 to 5 you take any value. Suppose if you take 4, 4 minus 5 is negative. So negative means mod x is minus x. So you have to write 5 minus x dx. Next, between 5 to 8, we take any value between these in this interval 5 to 8. If you take 7, 7 minus 5 is 2 positive. So this is mod x is plus x. So x minus 5 dx. So 5x minus x square by 2 between the limits 2 to 5 plus x square by 2 minus 5x 5 to 8. 5 into 5, 25 minus 25 by 2 minus lower order 5 into 2, 10 minus 2 square 4 by 2 is 2 plus 8 square 64 by 2 32 minus 40 minus 25 by 2 minus 5 into 5 25. So by simplifying 25 by 2 minus 25. So 25 by 2. So minus 25 by 2. This is plus 25 by 2. So 25. 25 minus 8, 17. 17 minus 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next, seventh one, integral 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power n dx. So we cannot integrate directly this one, so apply a minus x property. So a minus x is 1 minus x. In place of x, we have to write 1 minus x. 1 minus 1 minus x whole power n dx. So it is also equal to 0 to 1, 1 minus x into 1 minus 1 cancel x power n. So we can easily multiply this one 0 to 1 x power n minus x power n plus 1 dx. So integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x power n plus 2 by n plus 2 between the limits 0 to 1. So upper boundary 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2 minus lower boundary 0. So n plus 2 minus n plus 1. So minus minus will cancel. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 is the answer. A minus x property. Next, eighth one, I equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. So same a minus x property, integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So it is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x is 2 by 1 plus tan x dx. Log a by b is log a minus log b. 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx and 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. So this is I equals to I, this is also I plus I, 2I equals to log 2 into 1 dx is x between the limits log 2 constant 0 to pi by 4. So implies I equals to pi by 4 by 2, pi by 8 log 2 base e. So pi by 8 log 2 base e is the answer. Next one, ninth one, 0 to 2 x into root of 2 minus x dx. Same as this sound problem, apply a minus x property. So a minus x is here 2 minus x. In place of x, you have to write 2 minus x. So integral 0 to 2 minus x into 2 will cancel and this is root x dx. So if you multiply inside 2 into root x minus x root x is x power 3 by 2 dx. Simple integration root x is x power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 between the limits of 0 to 2. So this is 4 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 is 2 root 2 minus 2 by 5 into 2 power 5 by 2. So this is 4 root 2. So 8 root 2, this is 8 root 2 by 3, 8 root 2 by 5. So if you take 8 root 2 common, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So it is nothing but 2 by 15. So 2 into 8, 16 root 2 by 15. 16 root 2 by 15 is the answer. Next, 10th one, 2 log sin x log sin 2x dx. Okay, prove in this one in the next page. First we prove 11th one, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. So sin square x is even function, so we can write this one 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. So let it be I. So apply a minus x property. So 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus x is cos square x dx. By adding these to I plus I, 2I equals to 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x is 1 dx. 2 will cancel. I equals to 1 dx is x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. So answer is pi by 2. Or directly we can write sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 also. Tenth one, 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. So to prove this, first we prove one integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So it is equals to I into equals to 0 to pi by 2 log a minus x property sin 90 minus x is cos x. So log sin x, log cos x both are same. A minus x property. So we add the 2, I plus I equals to 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x dx. So log a plus log b is log ab. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin x cos x dx. Sin x cos x we can write 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x by 2 dx. So log a by b is log a minus log b. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Log 2 dx we can easily integrate this one. Log 2 outside 1 dx. So first we find log sin 2x dx. Let it be I1. I1 equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. So take substitution 2x equals to t. Dx equals to dt by 2. So 0 into 2, 0. 2 into pi by 2, pi. 0 to pi. Log sin 2x. So sin t. Dx is dt by 2. So 1 by 2 outside, integral 0 to pi, you can write 2 times pi by 2. Log sin t dt. So here f of t, take log sin t. F of 2 into pi by 2 minus t. 2a minus x property. So log of sin pi minus t. Sin 100 t minus t is sin t. So log sin t. Log sin t is nothing but f of. We are getting the same function. F of 2a minus x equals f of x. Then you can write outside 2. 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt. So 2 will cancel. So it is nothing but I. Because the log sin t dt, indefinite integral never depends on the variable. So both the log sin t dt, log sin x dx both are equal. So this is nothing but I. So this is 1. So 1 implies this is 2i. So 2i equals to I minus log 2 outside. 1 dx is x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. 2i minus I is I. So I equals to minus log 2 pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 log 2. So this is the value of integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Now what you have to find? This one. So 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is minus pi by 2 log 2. 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x also I1. I1 is also equals to I, so both are equal. So minus pi by 2 log 2. So 2 times minus 1 time means 1 time. So answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. Answer log 2 base. Or if you take minus inside the logarithm, log 1 by 2 base, you also can write it. So this is the answer. Next, 12th one, removal of x property. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. So first to start with I equals to integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x. Same a minus x property. So pi minus x dx by 1 plus sin pi minus x. Sin 180 minus x is sin x only. So pi into integral 0 to pi by splitting into two integrals. 1 plus sin x dx minus integral 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x dx. So this is also I plus I 2i. Pi into integral 1 by 1 plus sin x, so we can easily integrate 1 minus sin x by cos square x. 1 plus 1 multiply with 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x dx. So by splitting integral pi 0 to pi 1 by cos square x is secant square x minus sin by cos square is secant x tan x. So it is equals to 2i. 2i equals to pi into integral secant square x is tan x minus secant x between the limits 0 to pi. So pi into tan pi is 0. Secant pi is minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. Tan 0 0. Secant 0 1. So plus 1. So this is 2 pi. 2I equals to 2 pi. So I equals to pi. So answer is pi. Next, 13th one, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine power 7x dx. Sine power 7x already an odd function, so directly answer 0. So f of x equals to sine power 7x. F of minus x equals to sine minus x is minus, so power is odd, so minus sine power 7x. So it is equals to f of x minus. So this is f is odd function. So minus a to a odd function is 0. So answer is 0. First you have to prove the function is odd function and later write the direct answer, it is 0. Next one, integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx. So start with I. Let it be f of x equals to cos power 5x. So f of 2 pi minus x is 2a minus x property. So 2 pi minus x, or 2 pi minus x is fourth quadrant cos positive at a 2 pi no change. So we are getting the same function. So you can write 2 outside, 0 to pi cos power 5x dx. So same you take f of this time f of pi minus x cos power 5 pi minus x cos 180 minus second quadrant negatives and power is odd, so minus cos power 5x, so minus f of x. So this time f of 2a minus x is minus f of x, so then we get the answer 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 only. We have this property integral 0 to 2a f of x dx equals to 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x is f of x, this is first property. Similarly, 0 if f of 2a minus x is minus f of x. This is second one. So answer is 0. Next, 15th one, I equals, we start with I, 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x cos x. Apply a minus x property. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus x is cos x, cos 90 minus x is sin x, 1 plus cos x sin x dx. This is also I, but this is minus I. So I equals to minus I. 2I equals to 0, so I equals to 0. Otherwise, you add the two first two, you will get the answer 0. Next, integral 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. So 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x. Log 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So 0 to pi log a is log a, log 2 dx plus 0 to pi log cos square x by 2 is 2 log cos x by 2 dx. So log 2 1 dx is dx. So log 2 base into 1 dx is dx. So between 0 to pi. So 2 outside, and for this you take x by 2 equals to t substitution. Dx equals to 2 dt. So 2 into integral 0 by 2 is 0, pi by 2. Log cos x by 2 is cos t, dx is 2 dt. So pi log 2 base c plus 2 into 2 4 0 to pi by 2 log cos t dt. Now problem number 10th already we discussed. So this is minus pi by 2 log 2 base c. So this is pi log base c minus 2 pi. So one time will cancel. So minus pi log 2 base c is the answer. Next, the 17th one. Integral 0 to a root x dx by root x plus root a minus x. So apply a minus x property. So I equals to integral 0 to a root a minus x dx root a minus x plus root of a minus x. In place of x, you write a minus x. 0 to a root a minus x dx root a minus x, and this is root x. So this is also I. Add first one and this one. I plus I 2i integral 0 to a. First one is root x, second one is root a minus x. Denominator same, root a minus x plus root x dx. So 1 dx. 1 dx is x between the limit 0 to a. So this is a. 2i equals to a, I equals to a by 2 answer. Next, you are integral 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. So at x equal to 1, it is 0. So you have to take 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 negative. So you have to write 1 minus x dx plus 1 to 4 positive. So x minus 1 dx. So it is equals to x minus x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 1 plus 4 into x square by 2 minus x between the limits 1 to 4. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. Plus 4 into 16 by 2, 8 minus 4. So minus lower boundary 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2. So it is equals to so we really have only this one. So 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So answer is 5. There is no 4 here. Next, 19th one. Show that f of x 0 to f of x dx equal to 2 times, and given conditions are f of x equals to f of a minus x, and g of x plus g of a minus x is 4. These are the two given conditions. So integral 0 to a f of x g of x dx equals to, let it be I. So a minus x property, integral 0 to a f of a minus x g of a minus x dx. But f of a minus x is, they have given f of x only. G of a minus x from this is 4 minus g of x dx. So integral 0 to a f of x dx, this is 4 outside, minus integral 0 to a f of x g of x dx. So this is also I plus I 2 times. So 2i equals to 4 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. So 2 times will cancel. So I equals, what is I? 0 to a f of x g of x dx equals to 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx. Just to apply a minus x property. Next, 20 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x2 plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 dx. By splitting minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2, x cube plus x cos x plus tan 4 5x dx plus minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2 1 dx. X cube odd function, x odd function, this is even, so totally odd function. Tan power 5 also odd function. Totally it is odd function. Sum of odd functions is some odd function only. So minus a to a odd function is 0. 1 dx is even function. So 2 times 1 dx is x between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Otherwise directly you can take minus 5 to 5 by 2. So 2 into 5 by 2 is the answer 5. Integral 0 to 5 by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x. Let it be I. So I apply a minus x property. So log of 4 plus 3 sin 90 minus x is cos x. Cos 90 minus x is sin x dx. We can write this one minus 0 to 5 by 2. Log a by b is minus log b by a. Log a by b is minus log b by a. So 0 to 5 by 2, 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x dx, and this is nothing but I. So I equals to minus I plus I, 2i equals to 0. So I equals to 0. So answer is the 0.